Looking for the best electric reciprocating saw? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, finding the right tool for the job is essential. In this video, we'll be comparing 5 of the most popular models to help you decide which one fits your needs best. The Yunirvana 77112 comes in at the bottom of our ranking. It's an affordable option, perfect for those who need a basic reciprocating saw for lighter tasks. If you're just getting started with DIY or need something for occasional use, this could be a great starting point. This saw has a solid 12-amp motor, pushing it up to 2,800 strokes per minute, which is standard for this price range. It handles wood, plastic, and some metals, making it a versatile tool for most everyday tasks. It's also designed for comfort with an ergonomic, soft grip handle, which helps prevent fatigue during longer sessions. Plus, you won't need any extra tools to swap out blades, thanks to the tool-free blade change. However, when compared to other models like the SKIL SPT44A-00, the Yunirvana 77112 lacks the extra power and features that can make cutting through tougher materials a breeze. Its motor isn't as powerful and its stroke length might not be enough for more demanding cuts, especially on thicker materials. If you're a DIYer on a budget or someone who needs a basic tool for occasional jobs, the Yunirvana 77112 could be a solid choice. But if you plan on tackling tougher materials, you might want to consider something with a bit more power, like the SKIL SPT44A-00. Want to get the Yunirvana 77112 at the best price? Check out the links in the description below. Next, we have the Extbtfor DF7002, another budget-friendly option. While similar in features to the Yunirvana 77112, this model offers a slightly better design, making it a more comfortable tool to use for longer tasks. The Extbtfor DF7002 comes with the same 12-amp motor and 2,800 SPM as the Yunirvana, which gives it similar cutting capabilities. It's lightweight, features an ergonomic handle, and has a tool-free blade change system, making it convenient for quick adjustments. The variable speed trigger gives you control over your cuts, whether you're working with wood or metal. However, just like the Yunirvana 77112, it may not stand up to the tougher jobs that require more muscle or deeper cuts. If you're working with thick, dense materials, you might find this saw struggles a bit. If you're on the lookout for something affordable but slightly more user-friendly than the Yunirvana 77112, the Extbtfor DF7002 should be a contender. It offers good value for casual home improvement projects. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews like this one. The CRAFTSMAN CMES300 lands in the middle of the pack in our rankings, offering a great balance between price and performance. This saw is a popular choice for homeowners and DIYers who need something that's reliable without breaking the bank. With a 12-amp motor and 2,800 SPM, the CRAFTSMAN CMES300 has the power to handle most home improvement tasks. It features a lightweight, ergonomic design with a soft grip handle, which makes it comfortable to use for long periods. Plus, you get the added convenience of a tool-free blade change, which saves time when you need to swap out blades mid-project. While it does a great job for everyday tasks, it lacks the extra power that other saws offer for heavier-duty projects. For example, it doesn't have the 13-amp motor found in the SKIL SPT44A-00, which means it might not be as fast or effective on tougher materials like thicker wood or metal pipes. If you're looking for a reliable saw for general home improvement and light construction, the CRAFTSMAN CMES300 is a solid choice. It strikes the right balance between cost and performance. The SKIL SPT44A-00 stands out for its slightly more powerful 13-amp motor, which gives it a bit more muscle compared to the previous models. This makes it a fantastic choice for those who need a saw that can handle a wider variety of tasks. With the 13-amp motor, the SKIL SPT44A-00 delivers solid performance with 2,800 strokes per minute, making cutting through wood, metal, and PVC a smooth task. Its ergonomic design ensures that you can work comfortably for longer durations without hand fatigue. The tool-free blade change and variable speed trigger provide added convenience and control. Although this saw does offer more power, it doesn't have the stroke length or speed of some higher-end models like the DEWALT DWE305, which could be a factor if you're tackling tough demolition or heavy-duty work. But for most DIY tasks and home improvement projects, it's an excellent choice. If you need a more powerful saw than the budget options but don't want to break the bank, the SKIL SPT44A-00 is the best of both worlds, powerful and affordable. And last but certainly not least, we have the DEWALT DWE305, our top pick in this review. If you're a professional or someone who needs a reliable tool for heavy-duty use, the DEWALT DWE305 is the way to go. This saw comes with a 12-amp motor and slightly faster 2,900 strokes per minute, giving you a bit more cutting power. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The tool-free blade change system and variable speed trigger give you flexibility when cutting through various materials, from wood to metal. While the motor is similar to the CRAFTSMAN CMES300 in power, the DEWALT DWE305 edges ahead with its durable construction and overall quality. It's built to withstand more demanding jobs, making it the go-to saw for professionals and frequent users. If you're serious about your projects and want a reliable, long-lasting saw that delivers excellent performance, the DEWALT DWE305 is the best of the bunch. There you have it. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, each of these saws offers something unique. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the best prices on all the products we reviewed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.